Hi. In simpliRP ERP, it is very simple to define the manufacturing cost of an item or part. Go to Edit Item Master. Click the link for part cost. Enter the item code. Enter the part cost. Press Tab. That's all. System is updated. Please note, this is only a manufacturing or subcontracting cost. Please do not enter item prices here. The part cost definition helps in many ways. For example, if we go to the subcontract reports, we can see, for that item code, simpliRP is showing the part cost and expected value of that subcontracting. This helps us in forecasting the fund outflow for all the pending subcontracts. There are many other benefits of part cost, which we will see in other videos. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.